Everybody get your fucking hands up.
I'm going to teach how to make intro video from panzoid. Let's begin. You need to click on panzoid, then click on this first. Then you can see the varieties of intro here. Then you need to select one, or you can also go more curiosity and search whatever intro do you need, like panda. Is a panda equation. If you need anime, you can make the anime character intro, or you can see training and latest top 3 category is there. I will choose training and I will select this red one. Then I will open in clip maker. Then after selecting this, you need to select this square box on the left side. Then you need to edit name into, I will click on my channel name, then enter, then here also I will copy my name, I will copy this name and paste here to Control A, enter, and then in group name also Dreamers of Official, group name Dreamer Official, group name Dreamer Official. You need to keep the same name, or you can also choose different name, but I am creating intro for my YouTube, so I will keep the name same as this. After doing this, you need to click on this download button and start the video render. You need to click all of. It will take few minutes for uploading the video. After the process is completed, you will see this 2 button, download your video and return to editing. Click again on download your video. Then look, my video is in video angle. Then I will open it. Like it, hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe. If you need more information, then comment below what type of video you need. I will try to bring. Thank you very much.